Right now we are showing all the courses from the database table on the courses page, and this list might be quite big. So in this lesson we're going to take a look at how to use pagination. It is actually very simple in Laravel. So to apply pagination, we just have to replace this get method call when we are fetching list of courses in the course controller and use paginate method instead. And after doing this change, let's take a look in the browser. Looks like nothing has been changed, but actually right now we're only showing 15 records on this page, because by default Laravel paginator component uses 15 records on the page. And in order to show those pagination links on the page, we have to open up the component which shows all the courses. It is called courses blade PHP, and right here, right under, we are iterating the array of courses and showing each individual course block. Let's call method links in order to show pagination links. And now we can see those pagination links, even though the styles are broken. And to fix it, we just have to modify Tailwind configuration file, and right here within content array, we need to add the path to that file which contains Tailwind CSS classes for pagination component. So I'm going to insert the path to that file like this. This path is mentioned in Laravel documentation. It might work right away, but just in case it will not, let's just restart development server by running npm run dev again. And there we go on the page. Now we're seeing that pagination component is shown properly, but for now it uses dark theme. That is because my current operating system theme is dark, and Tailwind applies dark styles automatically based on the system preferences. I'm actually going to change the strategy how Tailwind CSS decides when to use dark mode. And if we're going to add dark mode option in Tailwind configuration file with the values selector. And now Tailwind is going to apply dark styles only in that case if we're going to manually assign class called dark to some parent element. And since we haven't, pagination uses light theme by default. And please note, whenever I'm gonna navigate through all these pages, we'll see that additional parameter has been added in the address line called page, which actually contains number of the current page in the pagination that we are currently at. And to customize how many elements each page should contain, we can pass parameter to this paginate method call like so. Now in the browser we're seeing that every page contains exactly 4 elements. But currently there is a problem with the pagination because we are reusing courses component that contains pagination on the main page as well. And we haven't used paginate method in order to retrieve results from the database when rendering the main page. And that is why it is saying that the links method is not defined in this case. And to quickly fix it, let's just wrap this links method call into condition and check if courses variable is going to have links method. Only in that case we're going to call it and render pagination, and this way on the main page in the latest courses section pagination will be hidden, and on the main courses page with the list of all the courses it will be shown. But of course we have to limit the amount of results on the main page since we are currently showing all the courses, and in here I prefer to show only 4 courses. So to limit the amount of results, we can call method take and specify how many results we need to fetch in this case. I'll specify 4. And there we go, now on the main page we're seeing only 4 records. Let's continue working on the project in the next lesson.